Oh, and by the way, guys, they say drink it 15 minutes prior to your workout. Okay, no tip. Bye-bye. Tastes like blue, something blue, like a bluish, like blue raz. Tastes like blue raz actually. Same, truthfully, guys, same. Tastes like same blue raz from Rain. I still give it an 8. Everybody's still asleep. My son and my wife's still in bed. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day outside. Oh God, sorry, 7:30. How is it? Not sweating, but it's aspiring. I'm illiterate. Sorry, guys. I say we should drink this 15 minutes before our workout. These help energize, provides essential energy to live fit. Zero sugar, essential performance, energy plus. I can't even read that. Oh, this has aminos. Aminos, which I don't mind. It's kind of heavy. Like the morning wellness on a Sunday. I think I want to change my series to the 50-year-old. First, I was talking about transformation, which was going to become for me to be shredded, but in all seriousness, I was going to give myself 90 days to get shredded, but in reality, I'm 50 years old, and the older we get, even though we're athletes, this could become it's a reality. Alright guys, so I'm going to take the top so I can sweat a little bit more on my fat foot, trying to lose weight, trying to put layers on before it gets really, really high, and not do something stupid and get like a heat stroke or something. It's gonna be 8 o'clock. Still kind of cool. Alright guys, hi man. I was in a fat burning stage a couple minutes ago, but I'm stopping to show you guys this. Probably do I don't know, what do you guys think? Alright, let's go. Alright guys, I'm done. I hit 45 minutes aerobic. I'm cooling down. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. The taping has begun right here. Hopefully I get that. Should be done by today. Okay, it's all black, guys. There you go. This is my little section of my little gym section of the room. Let me know what you guys think of the paint in the background, the mirrors. See, the door's not done, so we got this to cover up. We did it with some wallpaper. But a big shout out to my wife who helped design it. She basically did almost everything. Bless her heart. It was her idea to put this wallpaper. What's up, guys? Scared me. Back to my channel. This is day 2. Never did a day 2 before, but I want to show you guys that day in my room. Try to make it look good for you guys. Make better videos, better content. My room should be look better. So this is it. It's just a little bit. I painted it black. I painted the wall black. You guys a better review. Hang on. Nothing. I'll hit the treadmill for 30 minutes. It's in my room. Hit the weights. Do my little setup. Did I say clean? About to clean my room. Clean over. So there's a new series. It's called Losing Weight Transformation. day part 1. And to be honest, I wasn't. My title was transformation to get shredded. But being realistic, man, I'm older. I'm not gonna get shredded in 30 days. Maybe. I don't think so. But I'm here to lose weight. That is more important to look good at my age. Because I want to be here for my kid, my young. He's 7 years old. So I'm 60, he'll be 17. I'm 70, he'll be, and still be in his 20s. So it's one of the main reasons I'm doing this. So anyways, God bless you guys. See you guys soon. Have a good Monday. Please subscribe. Leave a like, comments. Anything else there. Bye. Bye.